Hello, my name is Natasha Ibanez. I'm a mechanical engineer with CRH Ireland. My mother is Ukrainian, my father is Cuban, and my family came to Ireland 14 years ago. I went to school here, did my Leaving Cert, and then straight after the Leaving Cert I went to UCD and did engineering. First year was a general year, and then after the first year UCD gave you the opportunity to specialise in one of the 5 areas. In my case it was mechanical. I got my job at CRH through applying for an advertisement in UCD. There was an advertisement to send CV for a job as mechanical engineer in Irish Cement. I sent in my CV and then I waited to hear for an invitation for an interview. Then after a second interview I got a letter of invitation for a job. My main tasks and responsibilities are being involved in the mechanical side of a project. At the moment I am working in Ukraine on a project where we're building a whole new cement line. Apart from electrical engineers, civil engineers, you also have mechanical engineers who focus their attention on the equipment to be installed, procured, and then to be commissioned later on, whereas the civil engineers will be more concerned with foundation steel work. CRH is a huge international company. They have about 92,000 people working in 34 countries. For an international company such as CRH, it is of course an advantage to have an extra language to be able to go and work abroad. Of course, it doesn't mean that you will not get the opportunity if you don't have the language from that country, but it does make your life much easier if you have. A typical day consists of, I suppose, 50% you spend in the office, 50% of your time on site. A lot of work on drawings, a lot of work on procuring equipment, a lot of work with contracts. What I most like about my job is that not one day is the same as the other. Every day presents challenges. Every day I learn something new. I would say that you don't have to have an engineering work experience, say after school or during college. I know a lot of people who have done very well and didn't do their work experience in the engineering field. The most important subject for engineering is of course honours maths. Also at least to have either physics or chemistry. What I find with this company, with CRH, that it gives you a lot of opportunity for developing your career. You're never in one place or one position for too long.